In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build apps without coding in Adalo. We'll walk through creating a brand new app from scratch and setting up a solid foundation you can customize without writing a single line of code. Start in the Adalo editor. At the top of the interface, click the app name to return to your workspace home. From there, choose Create New App. Adalo will immediately ask where you want users to access your app. You'll see two choices, mobile, tablet, and desktop, or mobile only. Select mobile, tablet, and desktop for now. This option gives you the flexibility to design once and adapt layouts for a range of devices. After selecting it, click Next to continue. You'll land on the template screen. Templates are pre-built starting points that include example screens, navigation, and data structures tailored to common use cases. Browse and pick the template that best matches your goal, whether it's a simple directory, a booking tool, or a community app. Choosing a close match can save you hours later. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Now give your project an identity. Type in your app's name, then choose a primary color and a secondary color. Your primary color typically drives buttons and highlights, while the secondary color supports accents and backgrounds. Aim for strong contrast so text remains readable, and keep accessibility in mind. If you have brand colors, enter them here. If not, pick a clean high contrast pair you can refine later. When you're happy, click Create. Adalo will generate your app and open the editor. With your project created, it's time to add functionality. Open the Components panel to explore what you can place onto your screens. Next, move into the Sections area to see organized groups of components that speed up layout and structure. Within Sections, open Features. This is where you'll find powerful, ready-made pieces like lists, forms, authentication blocks, and more. Elements that handle common app logic for you. Drag items from the panel onto your canvas to add them, and use the property controls to adjust text, data sources, and styles so they fit your design. As you make changes, think in terms of consistency and clarity. Keep spacing and colors uniform, name your screens and components in a way that makes sense, and align your layout for a polished feel. Small adjustments to typography, button labels, and icon size go a long way in improving user experience. That's it. You've created an app, selected a template, set your brand colors, and begun adding real features. Follow these steps, iterate on your design, and you'll have a professional no-code app up and running in no time.